this is an introduction video. And unlike other videos, this is not scripted. I'm not trying to give a point or deliver a point in this video. So this is like a introduction type video where I just say, hey, I'm Divyansh and other stuff like that. So let's see. Well, in this video, I'll stutter because I don't know what to say. So I'll just make things up in front of the camera. And yeah, that is what you are going to see. This is the video for me, maybe, because I doubt people are going to watch this. Right? So, okay. My name is Divyansh Roy, and you all know it. And if you don't, well, haha, yeah. And I'm 19 years old. I'm going to be 20, which is kind of scary. I don't know why it's not scary for other people. Their life is going just too good or something, because my life is at a jack shit level of I don't know. I don't know what to say. Right? So I'm a person who is really into entrepreneurship, obviously, because I don't know, that was the worst thing that I could choose. And the thing is that I chose entrepreneurship. It went to a level and then it just slid down to at such a meager level that now I'm just a person who has not studied in 11th, 12th, 10th, वगैरह वगैरह. He has bad 10th, 12th के marks. He did not go for NEET. Like, yeah, he just gave NEET for the sake of it. And now he is just looking in front of the camera and wondering what the fuck he is doing in his life as he studies arts. So, like, I'm in second year, right? Now what I'm doing. I don't say it to people because लोगों को नहीं बताना होता, but haha, YouTube channel. So I'm studying for CAT where I haven't started. So I don't know what I'm studying. I have a guitar, but I don't play guitar because I don't know why. So I have a guitar that I don't know how to play. I have dumbbells in my room. The room is shit. And I think that I'm saying too much and I might have to cut all this. नहीं करेंगे, sure, right? So what to talk. So from now on, let me say a bit, like, it's been 100 days, right? 100 days of creating content, and it's like going terrible. And I shouldn't say this, but the like every creator has this point where he's like, bus ho gaya, like I can't do this anymore. And I did hit that level on day 30. Yeah. So I've dragged it to day 100 and I'm going to drag it aage, because this is something that I've just made, like, I've spent so much time in this that if I don't post a video for a day, I just ruin all that consistency, and I don't want to do that because फिर खुद को बोलने को कुछ नहीं रहेगा भाई, मिरर देखना है, जबकि I don't have a mirror in my room because my बाकी yeah. Well, first of all, like, one good news, the people, like the audience part, which was female, has increased from 10% to 30%, which is crazy good. Like, haha, ladies. Or maybe the number of boys have reduced. So, you know, I don't know, like, welcome. Anyways, I have also hit 112 subscribers. Wow. Imagine being a YouTuber and this is where you stutter. Subscriber. Please subscribe. And moving forward, like, see, these days what I'm doing is I have joined this website called Walk, where you can create an agency, create courses, and I'm creating a course on AI, using AI. And when I say this, obviously you are not going to buy it, but still, like, I'm trying to make something up. And I've been into entrepreneurship and stuff from the age of, I don't know, 10, right? But like, at that time, it was not that clear. It got clear at the age of 16, 15, where I realized कि पढ़ाई तो नहीं होगी. नहीं, nothing happened like that. And yeah, I don't have anything aesthetic in my room other than this, which is not really aesthetic, to be honest. Well, it has Rakhis. So yeah, at this point, I don't know what I'm saying. But this is exactly the type of videos that I'll be posting from now on, because ये नहीं चलने वाली, maybe. But and the shorts that will come from now on will be from these videos. So that is how things are going to go. And now I feel that I forgot to press the record button. So if that's the case, haha, I'm going to Lucknow tomorrow, so I have to create content for the next 4 days, which I haven't yet. And my train is tomorrow 6 a.m. So it's crazy hectic. My college is like, today I went to college because some freaking professor just typed my name in the account that he should be attending the class. And when I went there, he was like, पिछले साल का assignment नहीं दिया and stuff. So I heard 1 घंटा of gali, 1 घंटा of gali, and then I give the assignment seminar. Obviously, आधे घंटे में. हाँ, that's it for today. Subscribe, वगैरह वगैरह, and I'll be elaborating on the AI thing more. I don't know why, but the next video is on it. I really wanted to become like Prakhar, right? And talk about intellectually cool stuff. But now that I think about it, I'm just becoming another rebel kid. I'm just not funny and okay. So if you ever see me laugh more than a normal people did or does, I'm depressed. So if you see me like that, you can just go to the comments and go, please don't be sad, Divyant. And after that, I'll just look at it, pity myself more, and get more depressed. So nice. मतलब do comment, but do comment good stuff, right? Ladies, रिज नहीं करना आता मुझे. बाल कटा लूंगा मैं. Like everyone in my family has just mentioned it to me 100 times now. So I'll get my hair cut and it will be something like छोटे छोटे because guilt हो रहा है मुझे. And do I have anything to show in my book? In my, I don't know. Next video maybe will also be about progress जो मेरे हुआ. Like what I thought I will do at the beginning of the year and now, right? So next video is just a rant video.